Welcome back. Let's take a tour of the course and see the layout of the course material. Remember, this course is designed to provide support for your curriculum math courses. Therefore, it's very important that you do the work in this course for each chapter or unit before you work on the corresponding unit in your curriculum math course. Remember, this course contains prerequisite skills. That means that these are the skills that you need prior to doing the work in your curriculum level course. It is very important that you pay close attention to the due dates in both your support course and your curriculum course, as these two courses work closely together. Let's begin with the first chapter or module, which will be found to the right of the Course Resources button. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to an overview of that chapter or module. Notice there's several pages. We have Chapter 2 Skills, a checklist, a direct link to Mymathlab, some worksheets, and a journal entry. Let's go through each of those. This first page, your skills, just gives you an overview of the skills that you will be learning in this module or unit. Once you've read through that, you can click the next button. Here you'll see a checklist that's specific for this chapter or unit. You can read through that, and you'll always notice that the first assignment will be something in Mymathlab. From here, we need to go directly to Mymathlab. So you click this gray box, and then you'll be taken directly to your Mymathlab course. This will be the home page. From the home page, you want to work on your assignments, so click the Assignments button. The very first assignment that you will complete in Mymathlab is the Orientation to Mymathlab Plus. You only have to complete this assignment one time. Click on it, and the assignment will open. Notice that the only thing on this screen that you can click on is this How to Enter Answers. This is a short video that you'll watch. In this video, it will explain how to enter different mathematical symbols and how to navigate Mymathlab. Once you finish watching the video, then these 6 questions will become available for which you can answer. Let's go back to the assignments. For each chapter, you will have a skills check. Complete the skills check assessment. This skills check will help you to assess which concepts you need to brush up on. If you don't know how to do any of the problems, it's okay. However, you want to do your best because remember, anything you answer correctly on this assignment will reduce the amount of homework that you will need to do for each chapter or unit. You can click See Score here. I've already taken this first skills check assessment. I made a 54.55%, so I knew about half of the material. Let's go over to the Mymathlab gradebook to see my scores. From the gradebook, I can actually review exactly which questions I answered correctly and which skills I need to brush up on. If I look at these that are marked in red, those are the questions that I don't understand and I need to get a little more help. Once you've figured out which material you need to review, then you can go back and work on those assignments. There are several videos here that will help you to learn the material. Notice that when you look at the videos, some of the videos may show you how to do things on your calculator, and there's videos to show you how to do things by hand. You're highly encouraged to use your calculator in your math courses. Once you've brushed up on the material, then you're ready to work on the skills review homework. Notice if I click See Score, I already have a 40%. That's because I answered about half of the skills check questions correctly. So I already have credit for a portion of that assignment. Now, on this skills review homework, remember you have to score at least an 85% in order to receive any credit towards your course grade. We do encourage you to work to the full 100%. When I click on the skills review homework to start working, it tells me good news. I've already automatically received some credit. The questions that I've mastered will have green checks beside of them. The others that are blue, you'll be able to click on, and those are the questions that you'll need to complete in order to receive the grade of at least 85%. Now, let's load back to Mymathlab. Let's go back to Canvas, in Canvas, there are also some worksheets. These worksheets are here to help you learn this different content. So you can look at which of these topics you need to brush up on, and you can print this worksheet. The worksheet always begins with a brief overview, some instructions on how to understand that topic. Then there are some examples worked out, followed by some problems that you can work for practice. There's also an answer key so that you can check your work. Once you've completed all of your Mymathlab work, the last thing you need to do is your journal entry in Canvas. So, the first thing you need to do is read through the journal entry. Sometimes the journal entry will just be a list of questions like this one. There's a journal entry rubric located below so you can see how you'll be graded. Sometimes you may watch a video. Sometimes you may go to a website and do some work and then come back. Once you've read through the questions and you feel that you're ready to answer the journal entry prompts and ready to submit the assignment, click the Submit Assignment button. Then when you scroll down, you'll have a box here and you can type in your journal entry. Once you've completed your journal entry, click Submit Assignment. Don't forget that these journal entries are very important as they are worth 60% of your grade. That ends the tour of our support course. Please contact your instructor if you have any questions.